beautiful custom home, 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms with over 7,000 square feet in the highly desirable Lovejoy ISD. Welcome to 915 Bentwater. Floating stairs and great room that feature the 24-foot-tall ceilings. An entertainer's dream, this open concept kitchen has an 18-foot island. Primary bathroom with white oak floating cabinets. Huge oversized shower. And the closet of your dreams. Large game room and media room. Enjoy the view from this magnificent balcony. Enjoy your evenings sitting by the fireplace under this huge covered patio right by your sparkling pool overlooking your 2.5-acre property. This could all be yours. Give me a call for a private showing.